Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I'd like to thank the honourable member for the question. The update is that we're actually about to send out the contracts to the GPs. Unfortunately, there was a bit of a delay in respect of the responses that we got from the GPs. However, unless the member wants me to go through those the delays, the fact is that we're now on track. There's about 17 GPs that have been shortlisted to be able to provide the services. We're looking at 6 from Suva, 1 from Nosori, 5 from Nandi, 1 from Lautoka, 3 from Ba, and 1 from Singatoka. And hopefully more will come on board. There were 24 applications sent in, but some of them were ridiculously expensive. Some wanted us to pay $50 per consultation. Some wanted $40. Some wanted a higher rate after 4:30 p.m. Some wanted different rates on weekends. So we actually obviously went for those people who were a bit more reasonable and were able to provide the particular services, and we're hoping to send out the contracts to them actually today. And then once the contracts are signed, then we can have those services going ahead. Thank you, sir.